Assalamualaikum, students. My name is Numan Ahmed, and today we will discuss the road to Pakistan timeline and its events. Let's start. Founding of All India Muslim League in 1906. All India Muslim League was a political party in British in India for the Muslim right, which is also help Muslim of India to have an independence country. It was founded in the years of 20th century by the following: Sir Aga Khan III, Khwaja Salimullah, Muhammad Ali. Okay, Minto Morley reform. What is it? Let's see. Minto Morley reforms 1909. Lord Morley, the Secretary of State of Indian Affairs, announced in the British Parliament that its government wanted to introduce new reform in India, in which the local were to be given more power in affairs. Okay. With this, a series of correspondence started between him and Lord Minto. Then the Governor General of India. A committee was appointed by the Government of India to propose a scheme of reform. The committee submitted its report, and after the approval of Lord Minto and Lord Morley, the Act of 1909 was passed by the British Parliament. The Act of 1909 is commonly known as the Minto Morley reforms. Okay, the features of Minto Morley reforms are number of we can say the number of members council at the center was increased from 16 to 60. The number of the members of the provisional was also increased. Right of separate electorate was given to the Muslims. The member of the council were permitted to discuss the budget and the suggested the amendments. Lucknow Pact 16 and 16, 19 and 16, the Muslim League and the Congress held their meetings at the Lucknow. In the end of December 1916, they accepted unanimously agreed reform scheme presented by their respective committees. It is popular known as the Lucknow Pact, appointed out the steps that needed to be taken against self-government for India. Jinnah supported the coming together of the two parties to you can see the government to grant India self-ruler. Okay, at this point of the history, Jinnah believe in Hindu Muslims unity and work for the quick attainment of full independence from the British rule. Jallianwala Bagh massacre 1919 is a holy place in India for Sikh people. At 13 of April, a attack took position there by troops of Dare's army, Journal of British India. Around 10,000 people were killed that time. A few days earlier, Dyers had banned these gatherings, but people were not aware of that rule, so they went to the meeting and were killed. Khilafat movement. If we talk about the Khilafat movement in 1919 till 23rd, was the pan-Islamic political protest campaign launched by Muslims in British India and influenced the British government. The movement became the reason for the separation from the mainland India of an Islamic Pakistan. The movement collapsed by the late in 1923 due to some violence of non-cooperative movement. Delhi Muslim proposal. Tension between the Hindus and the Muslim was on the rise from 1922 onward. The Quaid-e-Azam see that the Hindus had no inclinations to cooperate with the Muslim, invited the Muslim leader of India to meet in Delhi under his presidency. This meeting was held on the 20th of March 1927, and the result was the Delhi Muslim proposal, which were unanimously accepted by all the Muslim leaders. The proposal are at the next slide. The proposals, we can see the follow. Number one, Sindh should be the separate from the Bombay and made and the independence province. Okay, and the other things, reform should be the introduced in the Balochistan and NWPFP on the same footing as in the any other province. In that case, Muslims are prepared to accept a joint electorate in all provinces so constituted, and are the further willing to make two Hindu monarchies in Sindh, Balochistan, and the NWFP. The same concessions that Hindu majorities in the other provinces are prepared to make to Muslim minority.